to discuss one of the very powerful capabilities of Power BI, and that is its ability to connect to different data sources, right? So now before me, I have a Power BI desktop report that's open, okay? And if you are new and you're not aware of it, Power BI desktop is free. You can download it right now. I'll put the link below. So you can download it right now and start testing out the tool. That's how accessible Power BI is. So if we go over to transform data, this is the interface of Power Query Editor. Okay, it's in Power Query Editor that we transform our data. And we have this option here to connect to different data sources. So if I click more, you'll see that we have a lot of data sources that we can connect to. Okay, for example, for files, we can connect to Excel files, CSV files. Okay, so for the Excel users, if you work with Excel and you need to connect to different Excel files and you have to use lookup functions and all these functions in Excel, well, why don't you give Power BI a go? Why don't you try it out? Because I tell you, Power BI will just simplify all the analysis that you are doing in Excel. Okay, you can connect to CSV files, Excel, XML files, PDF, or even to a folder, right? You can also connect to databases. Like there are a lot of connectors that Power BI has available in Power BI Desktop that will allow you to connect to your data sources, okay, whatever your data source is. And one thing that I really like about Power BI Desktop is that it will allow you to, it gives you all the functionalities, okay, that's available in Power BI for you to transform and work on your data, right? And then you can have it locally. It's when you want to publish or share your report with others, that's when you need to have a Power BI license. But even just with the Power BI Desktop, it already allows you to do even 80% of everything that you need to know and to learn of how to import your data, transform your data, and visualize your data, all in Power BI Desktop. And Power BI Desktop, like I said, it's free. So so this is one of the powerful functionalities of Power BI that enables us to connect to different data sources, okay? We connect to all these data sources and we transform our data, and then we visualize our data all in one app, which is Power BI Desktop and which is free. So that's the capability and functionality of Power BI that I find that is very powerful, because I've worked with a lot of BI tools and each tool has its own specific functionality and feature. We have one tool to import the data, we have another tool to transform the data, and we have yet another tool to visualize the data. Whereas Power BI Desktop, it combines all these functionalities into one powerful tool. So if you are using Excel and you're still on the fence thinking whether I should try out another tool or not, I highly encourage you to check out Power BI. Check out its functionalities. I have a course that I'll be launching soon. But if you cannot afford to pay for the course, you can always go on YouTube and find some YouTube video online to get you started on how to use Power BI. So check out Power BI today. You can find the link below.